Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring PNG Grid Maker, the world's simplest online PNG grid generator created by BrowserLink. This powerful tool lets you instantly create fully customizable grid images in transparent PNG format. You can define the number of rows and columns, adjust cell size, choose grid line thickness and color, apply solid, dashed, or dotted styles, add spacing between cells, set padding around the grid, and even control background and fill colors. To access this tool, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com, and navigate to PNG Grid Maker. Now, let's explore 3 examples in action. Example 1. Solid line grid. Here is the input where we created a classic square grid. The grid has 30 rows and 30 columns, forming a total of 900 cells. Each cell is 20 pixels wide and 20 pixels high, making them perfect squares. We selected transparent as the fill color of the cells. The grid line width was set to 1 pixel and the grid line color was set to black. We selected solid line grid as the style. The gap between grid cells was set to 0, padding around the grid was set to 10 pixels, and the background color was set to transparent. The result is a clean, thin-lined square grid on a transparent background. This type of grid is perfect for overlaying on maps, graphs, architectural drafts, or design mockups without blocking the content underneath. Click Save as to download the result. Example 2. Filled cells with dashed grid lines. Here is the input where we created a bold and decorative dashed grid. The grid has 5 rows and 8 columns. Each cell measures 120 pixels in width and 120 pixels in height, forming large square blocks. We filled the cells with a light pink color, using the hex code #FFAAFF. The grid line width was set to 10 pixels and the line color was black. We selected dashed line grid as the style, set the dash length to 30 pixels and the dash space to 20 pixels. Additionally, we added a 20 pixel gap between grid cells, applied 10 pixels of padding around the grid, and set the background color to white. The output is a bold, visually structured dashed grid, ideal for puzzle layouts, UI/UX wireframing, game tile design, or large format templates. Click Save as to download the result. Example 3. Parchment color dotted line grid. Here is the input where we generated a soft notebook-style grid. The grid consists of 10 rows and 7 columns. Each cell is 100 pixels wide and 100 pixels high. We filled the cells with a parchment-style color using #FCF5E5. The grid line width was set to 8 pixels, and the grid line color was set to RGBA 00003, making the lines semi-transparent. We selected dotted line grid as the style and set the space between dots to 10 pixels. The gap between grid cells was set to 0, padding around the grid was set to 40 pixels, and the background color was also set to #FCF5E5 to create a seamless notebook appearance. The result is a soft dotted grid that resembles pages found in diaries, planners, or workbooks. It's perfect for printable templates, writing guides, and creative journaling layouts. Click Save as to download the result. Before we wrap up, remember that PNG Grid Maker gives you full control over grid structure, styling, spacing, and transparency, making it a versatile tool for designers, developers, educators, architects, and planners. Don't forget to check out our previous tutorials on Disappearing PNG Creator and Color Mixer for more powerful and easy-to-use tools. Try PNG Grid Maker yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.